Lawmakers from Oregon and Washington announcing a major funding deal for the replacement of the I-5 bridge into Vancouver. Ariel Salt going beyond the headlines with more on that.
State and local officials are celebrating this massive $1.5 billion grant that gets this project one step closer to construction.
This is a really expensive bridge to operate. Like I mentioned, $40,000 of oil every year just to grease the cables. It's not cheap to have old stuff around.
The federal funding coming from the bipartisan Infrastructure Law Bridge Investment Program.
Right now, they're still working through all of the procurement methods, deciding between a design build or a progressive design build. So that will give us the exact time frame, but looking probably at a 4 to 5 year construction time frame.
They say construction on this project could start as soon as 2026.